your most memorable vacation you have taken? My most memorable vacation is go Jeju-do when I was young, because I have two reasons to support my answer. First, I can swim in Jeju-do because, for example, I swim with my parents. This is fun. Also, I go when summer. I can protect from hot sunlight. This detail is so important to me because I hate hot. Second, it will be sleep in Jeju-do hotel. For example, I swim in the pool and go Jeju-do hotel and eat some food. Also, I can play game and play with parents. I think it is good day for me because I think discipline is wonderful and nice. So I swim in Jeju-do beach and it will be sleep in Jeju-do hotel. In conclusion, my most memorable vacation is go Jeju-do when I was young. Thanks for listening my presentation.